गोंयांतलो पयलो चिल्ड्रन्स कार्निवाल बिरेस्तारा पिळणच्या सेंट जॉन बाप्तिस्ट इगर्जेच्या आवारांत जालो. गोंयच्या कार्निवलाची संस्कृताय भुरग्यांक कळची म्हणून गोंयचो फेस्तकार मारियस फर्नांडीस आनी हेर वांगड्यांनी ह्या कार्निवालाचें आयोजन केल्लें. कार्निवालांत माणकुल्या भुरग्यांनी पारंपारीक कार्निवालाचो नाच तशेंच इको फ्रेंडली मुखवट्याचो उपेग करून पर्यावरण जतणुकीचो तशेंच संस्कृताय तिगोवन दवरपाचो संदेश दिलो. ह्या कार्निवालांत किंग मोवयोची क्लाविया फर्नांडीस क्वीन म्हणून पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी. माणकुल्या भुरग्यांच्या उमेदीच्या ह्या कार्निवालांत जाणटे नेणट्यांनी लेगीत वांटो घेतिल्लो. कमर्शियल कार्निवाला परस गोंयचो सांस्कृतीक कार्निवाल ह्या वेळार भुरग्यांनी आपल्या कलेंतल्यान दाखयलो. कार्निवाल हो खरो म्हळ्यार गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतलो लोकांचो महोत्सव, पूण ताचें स्वरूप वेवसायीक जाल्ल्या कारणान लोकांचो तातूंतलो आस्पाव उणो जायत चल्ला. पूण परतून अशे कार्निवाल गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांनी सुरू जाल्यात. गोंयच्या संस्कृतायेच्या जतणुके खातीर अशे कार्निवाल म्हत्वाचे आसात अशें मत कांय जाणट्यांनी उक्तायलां.
It's indeed a historic moment that we have made time for children. We need more people in Goa because children are young, they can't make a decision for themselves. Children don't want floats, children don't want alcohol, children don't want sponsors, children don't want anything. All they want is a bit of guidance, a bit of skill to be shown to them and to show what our Goan culture and heritage is. So today, for this carnival, we had a 3-day summer camp for the children to make masks. We trained them to do simple masks, eco-friendly masks, which can be used. It's not the ones that will pollute our environment. So we did a mask, we did some training for them to dance, and the future of Goa's heritage, music and entertainment has to come from the young.
Hi, my name is Sarah Mendes and I'm at this carnival which is super fun. It's called the Children's Carnival of 2023. It's so fun. I cannot resist it with all my friends. Super duper fun.
I'm glad about it. I never seen such things. This is the first time I am enjoying.
These are the carnivals that she participated when she was a child, okay? And then the tourism department stole the carnival away from the people. And we are participating in this now because this is back to the grassroots. This is a grassroots people's carnival from our villages, and that is why we are here. Otherwise, we do not participate in the carnival because it has been robbed from the people. Thankfully to our Goencho Festekar, Marius, and Dr. Gwendolyn Ornelas, they have brought this carnival back to the grassroots and given it back to the people.
We don't usually participate in the commercial carnival, but we are promoting our village carnival.